Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to use OBS Studios to record Scream Beginner's Guide 2025. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into it. So your first step would be to actually open up your browser first of all and simply log on to obsprojects.com, as the Open Broadcaster software, which stands for OBS, is where we would be downloading its files. You can now download this for Windows, you could download for Mac OS, you could also download for Linux. We have free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. Download and start streaming quickly and easily on Windows, Mac or Linux. You can see there's a couple of things that have failed to load on my end, but they would load on yours properly. So this is what it looks like. All you need to do is click on download. Once you've downloaded the file, go ahead and open up your download menu. And then once your download menu is opened, this is what you're going to be finding: the OBS Studios Windows-X64. That's the WinRAR zip archive file. Once you're done extracting, this is the product. This is what you'll be getting on your home screen. So all you need to do to install, it took me some time to actually find it, is where we have bin, head into the bin, click on the 64-bit, simply scroll till you find the OBS 64. This is exactly what you're going to be running. All you need to do is either right click and run as admin, or just simply click on open, and it would prompt you to allow it to be admin. Just go ahead and click on open and give it some permissions, and it should launch. Now, once OBS has launched, the first thing you're going to be seeing is auto configuration wizard. It's basically where you can choose to optimize your device or computer for screen recording. If you don't want to stream, you could just do that. So let's go ahead and launch the OBS Studios. So basically this is what OBS Studios looks like. I've already added some elements like the window capture and this, so I'm just going to go ahead and be deleting. I'll go ahead and delete the sources so I can show you how you can actually manually add these for yourself and make use of it. As you can see, as I speak into my mic, there is the movement of the decibels. It's going from -60 to -35 and pushing upwards. So let's just go ahead and delete that as well. And once you click yes, you would still get this because my mic is connected to my computer. Now, in order to make use of the OBS, you have to go ahead and create a scene. So basically, a scene is kind of like a workspace. So you can switch between different scenes or different workspaces for better effectivity. Just go ahead and click on the plus, and then where we have please enter the name of the scene, you could just simply call it screen recording, and then click on OK. So once you've entered the scene, you could switch over the scene for different workspaces. Now, where we have sources, basically what a source is like basically where it's going to be getting either its audio or visuals from, not where it's going to be sending them to, it's where it's going to be getting them from. So all you need to do is this plus icon as well. Click on this plus icon here, and then where we have audio input, not audio output capture, we're not capturing output, we're capturing input, which is from our mic. So go ahead and click on the audio input, and instead of creating a new audio input capture, just click on add existing. So you should use the add existing option to simply add your mic. All right, so go ahead and click on the mic itself here and simply click on make source visible and click on OK. So now we've added our mic, which means once you begin to start recording or streaming, you're going to have your mic, it's going to move, the decibels are going to move. You can see the volume slider here. You can effectively change the volume, and you can kind of like play around with the volume and stuff like that. So the next thing you're going to be doing is click on the plus again. Now we're going to be adding our display capture. So the display capture is basically choosing your monitor to scan your monitor or to take information from your monitor, like what you're doing on your screen when you screen record. So click on display capture. So go ahead and click on OK. And where we have capture method, just leave it at automatic. And then for display, select the display to capture. Go ahead and select your primary monitor, being your screen or your computer screen, and you're going to see any movement on your screen would be displayed on the OBS Studios platform. Now, where we have capture cursor, that's your cursor here. Make sure it's captured, and then simply click on OK. And now we both have the display capture active and the mic as well. So for the audio mixer, you could reduce your desktop audio as well, so no notifications maybe from your parties or chats on Discord wouldn't disrupt your screen recording or streaming. So with this, you can also head over to the settings menu, click on settings. Okay guys, so this is basically what you're going to be seeing once you click on the settings menu. So on the settings menu, you can work on a lot of things, from appearance to stream to output to audio, video, hotkeys, accessibility, and advanced. So we're going to be taking it at least one step at a time. So in order to start recording on your device, you have to set up all these things which I have done, such as the sources, and make sure the audio on your mic and desktop is either enabled or disabled, depending on what configuration is better for you. So now for output, so show confirmation dialog when starting streams, show confirmation dialog when stopping, show confirmation dialog when stopping recording, and automatically record when streaming. That's an option. We also have source alignment, snap sensitivity, projectors. You could simply play around with all of these before you start screen recording for your channel or whatever use you have for the screen recording. Just make sure to go through the general. And then for appearance, we have the theme. You can change the theme, you can change the style, you can make it light, you can change the font density. We'll also have the output, so you can change the bit rate, the audio rate, and the video encoder as well. You could work on the audio encoder. The output mode is set to simple. You could change it to advanced. And then where we have recording path, you could set it to videos or downloads. Then the record quality is set to high quality, minimum file size. So where we have indistinguishable quality, large file size, you could go with this. You could just like I said, you could just play around with the entire platform, but the main thing here is just make sure your sources are active, and you could just go ahead and click on start recording to begin recording using the OBS. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.